Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining us. My name is Oscar Ramirez. She's my colleague, Marlene Castro. We are solutions architect at AWS, and we are happy to be here with you. In the next minute, we would like to share the story behind WIM and how they launched the first full digital brand in Mexico. Let's go.
Thank you, Oscar. Wing is a new digital brand that was launched in Mexico, and the go-to-market mix was only in 90 days have to be launched, and this was a challenge for our customer. We achieved this in a short period using AWS and Symphonica. The vision was if you are a customer and need to have a new digital brand, you can purchase any SIM, provision all the services all by yourself in less than 5 minutes. That was disruptive in the Mexican market because in the traditional telecom operators, you need to go to one store to spend time and to contract all the services and have the provisions maybe 1 or 2 hours. It depends of the day. But with this telephony, you have all the services provisions in 5 minutes by yourself without not going to a store. What is the main core of this solution is a no-code provided by Symphonica in where they leverage all the services over the AWS using Amazon EKS and using Amazon Bedrock. The no-code solution is very disruptive because they can provision new services only with a few clicks. And from the telecom operator side, they integrate new services through a new portal is done only in one day. They don't have to spend a lot of time making the provision or trying to implement new changes.
This is how looks the Symphonica architecture. Okay, this diagram showcases how Symphonica, a modern OSS platform built on AWS 100%, is a cloud-native platform. They have the concept of connector. Connector is basically how they touch the network or how can they touch another external system. What you can see here in the diagram is in the left side you have the network connector, typical integrations to the core network of any operator across the world. In the right side is the new integration that they have in the case of the WIM. WIM is not a typical telco. They have like a hub of subscriptions where you can have not only voice, data, and SMS, you can also buy another streaming services, even lifestyle services as well, right? So here, as Marlene already mentioned, we have Bedrock. So you already have in Symphonica a library of connectors, okay, for the typical integration. But one of the recent features is the chance to use Amazon Bedrock to create new connectors based on the documentation or the API specification. So if you don't have enough time or even resources with the skills in the development to create connectors, you can do it quickly with the generative AI in Amazon.
Adding something to Oscar, Symphonica made the orchestration between network elements, OTT elements like Prime Video or other services, and the BSAs, the billing elements into the architecture.
This is how it looks, okay, for the people. They download the application from the store, okay, depending your phone. Then in the promises that in 5 minutes you will have fully activated. There is no human intervention here. It is a full digital, okay, so you receive the eSIM profile in your handset, you pay with your credit card, and then in less than 5 minutes you are ready to go and use WIM. This was done, because the benefits of the Symphonica OSS platform. As you can see here in the other side is basically what is behind the scenes. This is what the people touch it. Here is basically what you can see. Here you define the workflows, and one important thing to mention is that Symphonica is compliant with the TM Forum, for instance, with the 641 integration.
Symphonica provides this portal through the point of creating new services or updating new services without making code. Only with a few clicks, you can provision new elements into the network or into the OTT catalog. Well, as the outcome, making the partnership with Symphonica is having a new telco company launched in the Mexican market in less than 6 months. And the technical part was ready in only 90 days. We use Amazon Bedrock as the heart of the services to use generative AI path to these new customers. So being beyond the day-to-day, we are prepared to add new services, new connectors, and new OTT platforms powered by Amazon Bedrock using AKS. The rate of failure in the provisioning process, it was a great achievement because leveraging everything on Symphonica, we have a 0.3% rate of failure. Is a small number in comparison with another telecom company. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your time.